Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a group of adventurous kids known as the Fantastic Five. Their names were Alex, Emma, Lily, Max, and Jake. They were best friends who spent their days exploring the wonders of their town and embarking on exciting adventures together. One sunny morning, the Fantastic Five gathered at their secret meeting spot, a massive oak tree near the edge of the forest. As they sat beneath its sprawling branches, they brainstormed their next great adventure. Suddenly, Lily had an idea. She had heard rumors of a hidden treasure buried deep within the mysterious Whispering Woods. Eagerly, the group decided to follow the clues and set off on their treasure hunt. They ventured into the enchanting woods, where the trees whispered ancient secrets and the air was filled with a sense of magic. As they walked deeper into the forest, they encountered various challenges that tested their teamwork, courage, and problem-solving skills. They crossed treacherous streams, climbed towering cliffs, and navigated through a maze of thorny bushes. Along the way, they discovered hidden caves, sparkling waterfalls, and encountered friendly woodland creatures who offered their guidance. After an exhausting journey, the Fantastic Five finally reached the heart of the Whispering Woods. There, beneath an old oak tree, they found a hidden stone pedestal with a locked chest resting on top. The chest bore an inscription that read, "Only those with brave hearts and noble intentions shall unlock the treasure within."